Are you feeding the Wawa? Leah, are you feeding the Wawa? No? So, why are they hanging out right here like you're feeding them? Huh? You don't know? No, don't give it to the Wawas. Look at this mess you made. Leah. No? So you don't know why they're right here? Huh? No, don't give them no food. Leah. Give me. Give me. Give me. What? No, you're not supposed to feed the doggy. Hey. Hey. Do you want some more? Leah? You want some more? No. Leah. No, Mama. No. No, Kaka. Let me clean your hands now.